Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 3, System of Linear Equation. So the question is, investigate the values of lambda and mu so that these are the three equations which is given here. First one is no solution, second one is unique solution, third one is infinite number of solution. So for solving these kinds of question, we need to follow some steps. So the step need to follow means step 1 is write the augmented matrix, step 2 is perform row operations, and step 3 is rank analysis means what are the cases which is given in there we need to analyze with the help of rank. So now let's solve this step by step. So our step 1 is write the augmented matrix. So before writing the augmented matrix, we have to write what is the given equation in here, which is 2x plus 3y plus 5z, which is equals to 9. This is our first equation. Another equation is 7x plus 3y minus 2z, which is equals to 8. This is second equation. And third equation is 2x plus 3y plus lambda, which is equals to mu. This is our third equation. So write the augmented matrix for this equation, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. This is minus 2, 2, 3 lambda. Ratio what is this? 9. This is 8 and this is mu. This is nothing but A ratio B. So our step 2 is perform row operation means step 2 is perform row operation. So as you can clearly see that if we subtract R3 from R1, then this all values become 0, third row becomes 0, then we can easily calculate the value of lambda and mu. So subtract row 1 from row 3 means this is row 3, which is R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and this is lambda minus 5. So it become, so this become 2, 3, 5 ratio 9. This is 7, 3 minus 2 ratio 8, like that. This is 0 and this is 0. This is lambda minus 5 ratio mu minus 9. So now our step 3 is rank analysis means step 3, which is rank analysis. So in analysis we are looking for three cases which is given here. We need to find. First one is unique solution, no solution, unique solution, or infinite many solutions. So in this rank analysis we are looking for three cases. So our case first is unique solution. Unique solution. So for unique solution, rank of coefficient matrix equals to rank of augmented matrix, which is equals to 3. So this is the condition for unique solution. So for a unique solution, rank of coefficient matrix equal to rank of augmented matrix, which is equals to 3. So when this happen when lambda minus 5 equals to 0, it means lambda not equal to 5. It means this happens when lambda minus 5 which is not equal to, lambda minus 5 which is equal to 0, where lambda not equal to 5. So value of u can be anything. It means the given system of linear equation have a unique solution if lambda not equal to 5. It means the given system of linear equation has a unique solution if lambda not equal to 5. So this is the condition for unique solution. Now move to our second case, which is infinite solution. So case 2 is infinite solution. So for infinite solution, rank of coefficient matrix equal to rank of augmented matrix which is less than 3. So for infinite matrix, rank of coefficient matrix which is equal to rank of augmented matrix is less than 3. This requires when lambda minus 5 equal to 0 and mu minus 9 equals to 0. It means lambda equals to 5 and mu equals to 9. So the given system of linear equation has infinitely many solutions if lambda equals to 5 and mu equals to 9. So this given system of linear equation has infinitely many solutions if lambda equals to 5 and mu equals to 9. This is the condition for infinite many solution. So now move to our third case, which is no solution. So our case 3 is no solution. So for no solution, rank of coefficient matrix which is less than rank of augmented matrix means for no solution, rank of coefficient matrix which is less than rank of augmented matrix. This happen when lambda is equals to 5 and mu not equal to 9. It means if lambda minus 5 equals to 0 and mu minus 9 is not equals to 0, it means lambda equals to 5 and mu not equal to 9, then no solution exists. So we can write it as this given system of linear solution has no solution if lambda equals to 5 and mu not equal to 9. So like that we have to solve these kinds of questions step by step. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.